Say patty cake, baker's man.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can. And then you roll it. And then you roll it. And you mark it with a B. You put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay! Baker's man.
Good job! Are you saying patty cake?
Yeah.
She's saying patty cake.
Cake.
Baker's man. Bake me a cake as roll it and you roll it and you mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Good job, Carolyn. Gosh, how old is she now?
16 months.
16 months? Carolyn, say, Dada's my favorite.
She's like,
Oh, don't hit the button. Don't hit the button.